Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to open up EasyBib from your Google document. Here I have a blank Google document, which I eventually am going to name Works Cited. Underneath in the toolbar, you have lots of options. I'm going to scroll over to Add-ons, click it, and then hover down to EasyBib Bibliography Creator, and then hover over to Manage Bibliography. On the right side, you are going to see a little action box where you could put information in. So I am doing research on Muhammad Ali, and I'm not going to use Wikipedia, but I want to use biography.com. This is the article that I am going to read on Muhammad Ali. One nice thing about some of these websites is some of them give you a citation. This one, I'm not seeing it, but I'm going to check on the top. I'm going to check on the bottom to see if there is anything that they give to me. So I want to do that first because that makes it easy. I can cut and paste. I don't see one here. Oh, right here, down on the bottom. Nice. I could copy and paste this or put this in order on my Works Cited, or I am going to copy and paste this link and go back to my document. And on the right side, as I said, this box you're going to use, it says here EasyBib, a Chegg service. Underneath you have a menu: book, journal article, website. This is coming from a website, so I'm going to click this button. I'm going to click in the field here and then right click, paste the website that I just took from the biography website, and then I'm going to click search. We want to use MLA 8th edition. Underneath it shows my search results, Muhammad Ali, biography.com. That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to select this, and this is my citation. I'm going to click this red button that says Add Bibliography to Doc, and it puts it in exactly the way it needs to be. I'm going to go back to my search, and I'm going to find another article on Muhammad Ali. And I like this one here. I'm going to look at this. History.com I know is a good website, so click on this and look for citation, look for information. Look at this. They give me a citation. I can click here, and it gives all this information to me. Or I can, again, click on the link, right-click copy, go back to the document. I'm going to make sure it's clicked to website, paste it, hit search, and it says MuhammadAliHistory.com. I'm going to select that. Then it's going to give me my citation. Now what's interesting is that when I click add bibliography to the document, it's going to put it in alphabetical order for me so I don't have to move things around. So if you see here, M, and then the beginning here is H. H comes before M, so let's see where it puts it. And it puts it alphabetically. H goes before M. All right, that's simple enough. You guys are really good at finding this stuff out on your own and playing around. If you have any questions, come to Mrs. Morin or myself in the library, and happy researching.